I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will learn how to read characteristics of a periodic function from the given graph. Write the following characteristics of the periodic function y equals to f of x. A function is given to us in the form of a graph. We need to write maximum, minimum, amplitude, axis and time period for this periodic function. You can pause the video, answer your questions. Here are my suggestions. Maximum value is 8. Minimum value is -2. Amplitude, axis and time period we'll have to calculate, right? So let us first write down the maximum and minimum values. Maximum value, as we read from the graph, is 8. Sometimes the units are given, so in that case you have to include the units. In this particular graph we do not have units, so we're just writing the numbers. Now to find amplitude from maximum and minimum, we can find amplitude. Amplitude is maximum minus minimum divided by 2. So let me write down the formula first. Maximum minus minimum divided by 2. So you can calculate amplitude from these two values. So what we have here is 8 minus 2 divided by 2. That means 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Axis is the average value, means maximum plus minimum. Divide by 2. Average of maximum and minimum. So it will be 8 plus -2 divided by 2, which is 6 by 2, which is 3. You can sketch this and see it for yourself. At 3, if I draw a horizontal line, that becomes the axis of the given graph, right? So this is what we call axis. It is average of maximum and minimum. And average value of a graph is axis. Now maximum is from, amplitude is from maximum to axis or from minimum to axis. So that is the amplitude. Amplitude is always positive. Now let's look into time period. To find time period, we have to see what pattern repeats, and what we find here is that the pattern from this repeats. So this is the cycle of your graph. So this is one cycle, right? So this one cycle repeats after so much of duration, and that duration is the time period. This is the time period. So after that it repeats. So how much is that? Let's calculate. Time period will be, this is 7 minus 5. That is 12. So the time period is 12 in this particular case. So like this, we can actually read and calculate characteristics or characteristic values for a periodic function from the graph. Now as an exercise, what you can do is you can write domain and range for this periodic function f of x. Okay, thank you.